Hello students, this is the third part of the chapter reflection. Third part means the third video on the chapter reflection. Class 10 mathematics, and I have taken the reference of the book Understanding ICSE Mathematics by M.L. Agrawal. Exercise 10 is there. And directly I come to the question because I have told everything about the reflection in the previous videos and some questions also. So I want to tell some more questions based on the graph. Like question number 16. In the graph paper, I will tell you how to draw the graph. Obviously, you know how to draw, how to plot the points. I have explained everything. Plot the points A2, minus 3. First of all, in the graph paper, take the big size graph paper, the full scale, because the big division is there. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 division. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Make equal interval, divide in equal interval. तो ग्राफ पेपर में तो बना भी रहता है, इसलिए कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं इसमें तो in this because I am making the graph on the board, that is why I have to give the equal division. Only you have to write the value 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. The first point is A, 2, minus 3. Question number 16. 2, minus 3 you plot here. So 2, minus 3 means you will have in the fourth quadrant. क्योंकि y value negative है, x value positive. तो 2 यहाँ पे है 1, 2 and minus 3 is this. So below the 2 and in front of the minus 3, this is A 2, minus 3. Clear? Then B point minus 1, 2. Minus 1, 2 obviously in the second quadrant क्योंकि x की वैल्यू माइनस में और b y की वैल्यू is positive. Minus 1 is there and 2 is there. So in front above the minus 1 and this is in front of 2. So this is the point B. Minus 1, 2. Then the C point 0, minus 2. अब 0, minus 2 है तो 0 तो x की वैल्यू 0 पूरे y एक्सिस पे होती है, बट साथ में y की वैल्यू माइनस 2 लगी हुई है, तो यहाँ पे दिस पॉइंट इज द C पॉइंट 0, minus 2 जस्ट ऑन द y एक्सिस. देन ज्वाइन दिस, क्योंकि ये कह रहे हैं कि ड्रॉ द ट्रायंगल फॉर्म्ड बाय द रिफ्लेक्टिंग दीस पॉइंट्स इन द x एक्सिस आल्सो आर द टू ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. पहले तो इसे तुम ज्वाइन करो. There are two triangles, therefore you have to join one with the continuous line and other with the dotted line. जिससे कि दिखाई दे. Now you have to reflect these points through the x-axis. How to do the reflection through the x-axis? I told you. A को अगर रिफ्लेक्शन ये एक्स एक्सिस को मिरर माने तो ऊपर जाएगा. दैट इज ओनली चेंज इन द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द y में साइन ऑफ द y. तो इट विल बी 2, 3 और 2, 3 वैसे भी हमें पता है कि कहां जाएगा. दिस इज A dash 2, 3. Then the B will come because only the change in the sign of y. तो minus 2 जाएगा, minus 1, minus 2 it will come here. B dash minus 1, minus 2. And the C is 0, minus 2 reflect through the x-axis, so it will come here 0, 2. This is the C dash. अब इसको ज्वाइन करें तो you have to join by the dotted line. ये ऐसे ज्वाइन करें C को. Then it is B. B यहीं पे है. This one is B. A एक मिनट, ये एक डैश को सी डैश से ज्वाइन करना है, तो थोड़ा सा जब ग्राफ पेपर में करेंगे तो ये कुछ ऐसे आएगा. B dash and C dash length. This is the triangle ABC and this is the triangle A dash B dash C dash. This. Then asking whether the triangles are congruent. How you will show? By using the distance formula. Do you know the distance formula between the 2 points? In class 9 it was there. First of all, find the distance of AB. There are the 6 distances. पहले इस triangle की तीनों distances निकालें. A to B, use the 2 minus 3 and minus 1 2. And then B to C, then C to A, then A dash B dash, A dash C dash, A dash. And then you will see that you will get the same distances. एक हम निकाले दे रहे हैं, AB की निकाल रहे हैं पहले. तो 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. तो अगर हम इसको x1 y1 x2 y2, तो x1 की जगह 2 रखा माइनस x2 की जगह -1, तो इट विल बी +1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y1 मींस -3 and y2 means -2. So you will get 3 square 9, 5 square minus 5 square 25 means √34. And this is the AB. अब इसी में हम A dash B dash निकाल रहे हैं, दिखा रहे हैं कि these are the same. मतलब अब A dash B dash कौन सा? A dash हमारा 2, 3 and B dash is -1, -2. तो 2 अगर वो हमने लिया x1 y1 and x2 y2, तो x1 is 2 minus plus 1 plus y1 is 3 minus plus 2 whole square. So it is also 9 plus 25 means √34. The same distance AB is equal to A dash B dash. Similarly, BC is equal to B dash C dash and AC is equal to A dash C dash. It means the triangles are congruent by using SSS property after congruence. तो ये एक सिंपल क्वेश्चंस, इसी तरह से और भी क्वेश्चंस है जिसमें तुमको कहीं कहीं पे एरिया भी निकालना है और पेरीमीटर भी निकालना है. फॉर एग्जांपल वन मोर क्वेश्चन 24. यूज ग्राफ पेपर फॉर दिस. तो पहले तो हम ग्राफ बना लें x and y. In this the point P2 -4. पहले 1 2 3 4 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4. थोड़ा बड़ा बनाते हैं इसलिए कि समझने में आसानी होती है. You always ड्रॉ द बिग फिगर. The point 2, -4. 2, -4. 2 is this, -4 is here. So 1 2 3 4 and 2 is this. So P point is 2, -4. This reflected about the line x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y axis. इसका मतलब y axis को x is equal to 0. तो reflected through the y axis, so what you will get? -2 and -4. The P dash. Point Q. To get the image of point Q, ये Q point. -2, -4. First point. Point Q is reflected about the line y is equal to 0. Now this point Q, मतलब ये जो point आया है Q, this is reflected about the line y is equal to 0. And I told you the equation, if you have the y is equal to 0 means x axis. तो x axis के through reflection होगा, तो कहाँ जाएगा? -2, 4 here. And this point is R. -2, 4. This is according to the formula. Name the figure PQR. अब सबसे पहले इसको ज्वाइन करें, तो हम इसको ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. ये ऐसे ज्वाइन हुआ this by using the scale. Name the figure PQR. So this is obviously this is parallel to the y-axis, means 90 degree. So it is the right angle triangle. The first. Find the area of this figure. How to find the area of this figure? In this, you know the area. What is the meaning of area in the right angle triangle? Half base into height. So what is the base and what is the height? Base is this, height is this. तो base you calculate only from this to this. क्योंकि ये 2 पॉइंट है, यहाँ से लेके 2 डिवीजन है, 2 डिविजन्स. ये this is also the 2 division. Means total is 4. तो base is 4. Don't take the negative value क्योंकि length negative नहीं होगी. And the height will be that this is the 4 and this is also 4. So total is 8. 2 2s are 4 means 16 square unit. This is the area of the figure. So by this way you can get the answer. Now one more question number. In the you have to find the geometrical name and the area, special name. ऐसे बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं, इनको भी करना है. तो एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन हम बता देते हैं क्योंकि the sum k is there and how to find the k. Use a graph paper for this. Take 10 smart divisions is equal to 1 unit on both the axes. Also you have to take the units according to the question. P and Q have the coordinates 0, 5 and -2, 4. 0, 5 P 0, 5. So 0, 5 means we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the point P 0, 5. And Q is the point -2, 4. -2 means here and 4 means here. So it will be Q -2, 4. This is the point Q. ओके, -2 ये और ये 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. Then first part, P is invariant when reflected in an axis. P is invariant. तो ये एक invariant point है जिस axis पे reflect करता है. Name the axis. So I told you in the first video what is the invariant point. Invariant means the image of the point is the same as the coordinate of the object. मतलब point का जो image coordinate है वही image का भी coordinate वो तभी होगा when it reflects on the same axis. तो first part y axis is the mirror. मतलब इसी के थ्रू हमें reflect इसको करना है तभी you will get the same coordinate of the image. Find the image of Q on reflection in the x-axis found in first. Image of the Q on reflection in the axis. अब ये जो y-axis first part में निकला है, इस Q की image y-axis पे निकालिए. तो what you will get? That is the 2, you will get the image here. Suppose R is the image, so 2, 4 is the image. Then 0, k on reflection in the origin. One more point, 0, k. And this is reflection in the origin and get the invariant. ये invariant है, origin पे reflect करता है. अगर origin पे reflect करता है invariant है, what is the value of k? तो इसका मतलब कि same coordinate और origin का coordinate क्या होता है? 0, 0. It is invariant through the origin. मतलब इसी पे होगा. It means the value of k is equal to 0. Write the coordinates of image Q obtained by reflecting it in the origin, followed by reflection in x-axis. ये Q है, इसको पहले origin पे reflect करें, तो you will get the reflection on the origin, that is 2, -4, and followed by reflection through the x-axis. So followed by reflection in the x-axis, but at the same point you have to, you will get to this point. The last part is the coordinate of the image, first through the origin, then through the x-axis, it will be 2, 4. So this is the question, that is, and every question very easy, and use the graph paper whatever it is given in the question. If written in the question, that use the graph paper, you have to use, otherwise use the formula. So keep on watching the video, and also time to time I send some more things about the mathematics that you have to see, and it is very beneficial for you. Thank you.